Alice and I have slipped on these steps several times. Once I took a face plant with slippery socks from the top step all the way down to the bottom, and I was really lucky that I wasn't hurt really badly. We've been looking for a solution to make these steps safer for a couple of years, and I think we've got a good solution now. These are stair treads that I got from Lowe's. They're cheap, they're like $4 a piece, and they double stick down. They take about 10 minutes per step to stick them down nice. I think this is a good way to keep these stairs safe.
I found the stair treads at Lowe's, but I also found them available, the exact same ones, on Amazon for $1 cheaper. So if you'd rather go to Amazon, you can get them there. Some of the supplies you'll need: paper towels, alcohol to clean the stairs and the treads, measuring tape, double stick tape, razor blade, and scissors. I use this roller. It's very, very handy to make sure that the double stick tape is really firmly attached to the stair treads and the stairs. To stick the stair treads down to the stairs, I recommend using the clear type, a double-sided mounting tape, either from Gorilla or from 3M. They both work great. I've used these on my outdoor stairs and they stayed out there for 2 years. The clear tape is better because it's much easier to remove. The first thing you want to do is use alcohol to clean the bottom of the stair tread and the stairs themselves very thoroughly before you put the tape down. I line up the stair treads on the stairs and make marks approximately where I'm going to put them. Then I lay down 2 strips of the double-sided tape on the bottom of the stair tread near the ends. Now I use my roller to roll out the tape and make sure it's firmly attached to the stair tread. I put a strip of the double-sided tape on the leading edge of the stair so that when I wrap the stair tread over, it'll stick really well and be firmly attached. I just finish it off with the roller. Now you position the stair tread where you want it on the stair. Then I just put a couple of pieces of tape to hold it in place. Now you can pull back the back edge, expose the tape, peel the backing, and stick it down. Now that the back strip is holding the stair tread in place, we're going to flip up the front strip, expose it, peel the backing, and then stick it down. Now we're going to stick the leading edge of the stair tread to the front of the stair. We're going to lift up the edge of the stair tread to expose the double-sided tape on the front stair edge, peel the backing, and then slowly press the stair tread against the front leading edge from the middle out to the sides. Because the straight stair tread had to conform to the curved leading edge of the stair, you have to trim off some of the extra rubber plastic that's hanging off over the edge. When you're all done, the stair treads are firmly attached to the stairs permanently with 3 strips of tape. Another thing we did to make the stairs safer is we added 2 motion-activated lights to the wall beside the stairs so that would light the stairs where we were descending in the dark.
As you can see, this is a quick and inexpensive way to make stairs like this a lot safer in the RV. Now, do you have stairs like this? Have you found another solution to make them a lot safer? Please share your story in the comment section below. You can also share your story on our Instagram and Facebook pages. I will leave a link right over here for another how-to video. Please, if you don't want to miss another video, click the subscribe button down below. And remember, downsizing does make sense.